Hi everyone, this is Dima with Bearable Traders, and I would like to do a recap for you. So today I traded Riot and CCL, and what I wanted to do is to show you my marked up chart that I actually posted on Twitter, because I wanted you to be able to see what I am looking at as I'm processing the information and making the decision to execute. So in Riot, I traded the 5-minute ORB. Open range breakup in this case. So the range is the first 5-minute candle, and the break of that range to the upside is the strategy. I also like to have an ABCD pattern in the 1 minute just to make it an A plus setup and for better odds. So as the market opens and I am looking at my watch list, I have a 1 minute and a 5 minute for each of the 4 stocks that I watch. So in this case, I am looking for the 5 minutes to open strong upwards towards the VWAP and just hang out at the VWAP, not go too far up so it's not extended. At the same time, I am looking at the volume in the 1 minute, looking at the candle formation, looking for an igniting upwards move and then a pullback to the VWAP or the 9 moving average. Then I'm also looking at the 2 minutes to make sure it still looks bullish. Sometimes the 1 minute is too busy and then the 2 minute is just a clearer picture. Then I am looking at the 60 minute. I have a 60 minute high candle. It's also sort of doing this ABCD pattern. The RSI, just an extra confirmation, above 50 shows strength. And when the market opened, or at the pre-market, Riot was gapping up. I also look at the ATR, and in this case, the ATR, the average of the moves that the stock makes is $5.69, and the stock was gapping up at $1.45, so plenty of room to go up. So then I'm waiting for the ABCD pattern to form in the 1 minute. And first when I saw this hammer, I like a lot, but it didn't correspond with the break of that range of the first 5 minutes. So then I waited for the second candle. It was a lower candle than the first one there, and I should have waited till this candle, but that's okay. At that time, I think I was looking at the break of this range. So it actually came down a bit and then it went up and then I took it to the long side. So yeah, I partialed at 1R and then it went down and stopped me out at break even. So that was it. It was a great trade. I don't have any issues with it at all. Then my second trade is CCL. And CCL was a 5-minute ORB, but it was an engulfing ORB. This is my plan B when I want to go long, and the 5-minute range is a red candle or goes to the downside. So then I'm waiting for the next 5-minute candle to engulf the first one. And then the rule is I take it at the break of the upper range. So again, I am looking for this candle. I'm looking for an ABCD here. If you notice, I actually did not call this engulfing ORB plus ABCD because this was not, it's very strong looking chart, but it didn't really do this ABCD, even though I'm kind of marking it like that there. But it sort of did this hammer that I liked, and it came close, and both the VWAP and the 9 moving average were so close for me to get a really nice risk to reward. So I decided to go for it. This wasn't fully ascending, but it was really nice in the 2 minutes. And that's why it's nice to have the 2 minutes for a clearer picture. So then I partial at 1R, and because I was working on my deck, I really wanted to get out. And as the price hesitated for just a second, I was like, okay, I'm all out. I don't want to lose my unrealized. And I did. And then, as you can see, I missed a lot of R's. It ended up going just below the 4R. So anyway, I'm okay. I'm happy. I'm green, but really need to be patient and not worry about the money and focus on the process. So Forgot to mention that it also looking at the 60 minutes, it was a new 60-minute high. The RSI was above 50. The stock was gapped up pre-market, and then the ATR is 1.4, and then when the market opened, it was up 33 cents. So yeah, these are my two trades, and that's what I look for. Generally, the pattern, number one. Second, the volume. And third is the harmonious charts to make sure they all support your direction. That's it. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful weekend.